You ever look at your bank account and think, where did it all go? Like, bro, I swear I just got paid yesterday, and now I'm wondering if my money evaporated overnight. Every paycheck feels like it disappears faster than your phone battery at 1%. You tell yourself you'll do better next month, but somehow you're back in the same broke cycle. Everyone says, just save more, bro. But nobody tells you your brain's literally wired to chase dopamine, not savings. You grew up thinking saving money is about discipline. Nah, bro, it's deeper than that. You've been playing a mental game that was rigged against you since day one. Every app, ad, and by now, pay later button is designed to mess with your dopamine. The system wants you spending, not saving. You're not lazy, bro. You're just fighting biology with bad advice. But if you don't change the game, you'll keep working harder while feeling poorer. What if I told you your brain's built to hate saving? And that's exactly why you're broke. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Sam. Welcome back to Sam the Finance Channel, where we make money talk make actual sense. If you're done feeling like your wallet's gaslighting you, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Quick heads up, this video is for education and entertainment only. I'm not your financial advisor, just your finance bro helping you think smarter. Today, we're breaking down why saving feels impossible and how to rewire your brain so many finally sticks. In this video, we're diving deep into the truth behind saving. Let's decode why your brain sabotages your wallet. Bro, your brain's not built to make you rich, it's built to keep you alive. Back in the caveman days, survival was the only goal, not saving for retirement. Your brain still runs on that same survival code. It's like, why save for next month when I can enjoy today? That's why impulse spending feels so good. Dopamine's the real MVP here. It rewards you instantly when you buy stuff. But saving, that's like waiting for a high five that never comes. To your brain, saving feels like losing something, like giving up fun now for a reward it can't see yet. No wonder saving feels boring or even painful. But here's the cheat code. Reframe saving as winning control, not losing fun. You're not giving something up, you're buying future freedom. Think of it like trying to diet while living in a donut factory. Your environment's not built for saving, so you gotta play smarter. Change the game, not just the habit. Ever feel like your paycheck vanishes faster than a Snapchat story? 1 minute it's there, next it's gone, like magic, but not the fun kind. Most of us don't even realize we're spending 70% of our cash on autopilot, subscriptions, delivery apps, random stuff that's low-key draining us. You don't overspend because you're dumb. You overspend because your environment is literally built to make you. If you make $3,000 and spend $3,100, that's not failure, bro. That's algorithm warfare. You're fighting machines designed to outsmart your brain. A $5 coffee every day sounds small, right? But that's $150 a month, $1,800 a year. That's literally a used car sitting in your cup. It's not about cutting joy, bro. It's about catching drift before it drains your dreams. Control the flow. Don't let it control you. Imagine waking up one day with zero debt stress, like your money finally stopped haunting you. That's what saving really buys, bro. Peace of mind. Saving ain't about missing out. It's about buying your freedom. Like, every dollar you keep is a ticket out of Stressville, bro. Think of every dollar saved like planting a chill tree. One day, future you's just chillin' under it. No stress, no panic. Start small, bro. Even $10 a week adds up. That's like turning spare change into a new mindset. Every little step counts. You don't have to go broke trying to get rich. Just be consistent, bro. Bro, the goal isn't to be rich tomorrow. It's to be unbroke forever. That's the real flex. Trap number 1. Saying, I'll save when I make more. Bro, trust me, you won't. Because when you earn more, your lifestyle levels up even faster. New paycheck, new sneakers. Same empty account. Trap 2. Thinking budgeting is punishment. Nah, bro. Budgeting's not a jail sentence. It's your map to freedom. It's how you tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Trap 3. Comparing your timeline to everyone online. Bro, Social media is making people broke emotionally before they're broke financially. Everyone's flexing wins, no one's showing overdrafts. Trap 4. Thinking one big win will fix everything. Nah, bro, it's not about jackpots. It's about habits. Consistency beats windfalls every single time. Most people wait for more money to start saving. But smart people, they save so they can have more money later. It's a mindset flex, not a math problem. So bro, if you're stuck, it's not your paycheck. It's these traps. Escape them. And you'll finally feel like you're winning your own game. Meet Jake to 26, used to say I'm just bad with money. But one day, he decided to prove himself wrong. 6 months later, he had $5,000 saved. No magic. Just mindset. Bro started tracking his money like it was a game. And turns out, that game pays real-life rewards. Once he saw progress, he couldn't stop. Think of saving like the gym. It sucks at first, but once you see results, that flex feels amazing. Every dollar saved is one more rep of discipline. Then there's Matt. He started using the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything, he waits a day. That small pause saved him from 40% of his old spending. Your wallet's like a muscle, bro. Weak at first, but every rep builds strength. Soon, you're flexing control instead of stress. It's not about perfection. It's about direction. Every step toward control means you're rewiring your money brain for good. Bro, the easiest way to save. Don't even give your brain a chance to mess it up. Automate that transfer. If you never see the money, you'll never miss it. Your brain loves dopamine, bro, so give it a hit. Use visual trackers instead of boring spreadsheets. Watching that progress bar fill up feels like leveling up in a game. Rename your savings account. Bro, Freedom Fund sounds way cooler than Emergency Fund. It hits your motivation differently. Feels like you're stacking freedom, not just saving cash. Make it fun. Turn saving into a game. Challenge your bro to a Save $100 first competition. Nothing wakes up your brain like a little friendly rivalry. You don't need motivation, bro. Motivation fades. What you need are systems that protect you from your own brain. Build habits that make saving the default, not the exception. Saving isn't about being boring. It's about building your future freedom. Trick your brain. Outsmart your impulses, and let future you thank you for being the smart one. Warren Buffett once said, "Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving." Bro, that's the mindset shift that separates rich habits from broke excuses. Discipline ain't sexy, bro, but freedom, that's fire. The grind today pays for the chill tomorrow. The best time to start saving was yesterday, but yo, the second best time is right now. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Just start with what you've got. The real flex isn't the new car. Bro, it's not panicking when your car breaks down. Stability beats flash every time. If you want peace, bro, build a buffer. That emergency fund is your real-life cheat code for peace of mind. So remember, bro money peace doesn't come from luck. It comes from discipline, patience, and playing the long game. Be that dude who's free, not just flashy. So yeah, your brain hates saving because it's wired for survival, not success. But once you understand that, you stop fighting yourself and start playing smarter. Money isn't about restriction. It's about creating freedom on your own terms. If this hit home, smash that like button, drop a comment with your biggest money struggle, and don't forget to subscribe to Sam the Finance channel. Tell me in the comments, what's one money habit you're gonna flip starting today? Alright brothers, take care of your brain, take care of your bag, and I'll catch you in the next one.